As you can see, it's pouring outside. I came to the park to run, hashtag shave up, day number 11. It is pouring outside, as you saw. It wasn't raining when I came, but I said every Sunday night, every Wednesday night, I have to stick to it, or else I'm never gonna lose weight. I'm never getting to my goal of 200 pounds. So even though it's pouring outside, I took a little breather. They have an awning over here with some holes in it, so get a little wet, not too wet. I can take a video over here. So I'm gonna go back out right now and run some more laps, turbocharge the workout. Instead of a half an hour workout, do it in 20 minutes and get back home. Even my wife said, if it starts raining, you come back home. No, we work out.